Yes, we're going to continue to get you the latest that is coming in from Parliament. But today is a day that has far-reaching consequences for a very few. Those few, the loved ones left behind by those slain and killed in the Pahalgam terror attack. Joining me right now is one of the victims, the late Shubham Dwivedi's wife, Aishanya Dwivedi. Shubham Dwivedi, unfortunately, was one of the few men, the 26 men, who was targeted and gunned down on the basis of the name that he gave out, the religion that he gave out. Joining me is Aishanya Dwivedi, his widow. Aishanya, all right, we don't have Aishanya. We're going to try and connect to her in just about 20 seconds. But like I said, viewers, she'd put up a brave front constantly. Even when she met the Prime Minister, she asked for only one thing, and that was that the fig leaf of if there is retribution, if there is justice, then it would only be delivered when the men who killed her husband, gunned down her husband, would meet the same fate. So today, when you stand a little over 3 months from what happened on 22nd April, for the likes of Aishanya Dwivedi, it's not just a day, it's possibly a day which could, if at all, give this young widow some sort of closure to what she had to go through. In her own words, she said that multiple times. Let's once again try and connect Aishanya Dwivedi. Aishanya, appreciate you joining us this morning. Thank you that you've taken the time out to be with us. It's been a very, very trying 3 months for you, Aishanya. The entire world has seen it. The entire India has stood behind you. One thing, Aishanya, you have said constantly, and that was closure, justice, retribution will only come, Aishanya, जब आपने कहा था, जब जिन लोगों ने शुभम को मारा था उनकी मृत्यु होगी, दे विल बी किल्ड, दे विल बी गन डाउन. आज एटलीस्ट न्यूज़ आ रही है आशन्या कि उनमें से एक जो मास्टरमाइंड था इस पूरे टेरर अटैक का, उसको हमारी सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस ने न्यूट्रलाइज कर दिया है, मार दिया है.
I am really happy to hear this. And also I think कहीं ना कहीं आज जितनी भी फैमिलीज़ हैं उनको बहुत ज़्यादा शांति मिली होगी. Nobody can bring our husbands back. Nobody can do that to us. But the people who killed them, the people who were really happy about it. And this is just the starting. This is just the beginning. आज एक है, कल मुझे पता है ये जितने भी हैं, जिस जगह पे हैं, जिस कोने में हैं, जिस भी देश में, विदेश में, जहाँ पे भी है, even in Pakistan, they will be killed. And I have that much faith in our Indian army.
आशन्या, क्योंकि आप पहले जब ये पूरा इंसिडेंट हुआ, यू आर वन ऑफ द फ्यू वुमेन, द वाइव्स, द विडोज ऑफ दोज हु हैव बीन स्लेन इन दिस टेररिस्ट अटैक, जिसने सबसे पहले बोला था कि किसी और चीज़ में शांति नहीं है, शांति तभी है, क्लोजर तभी है अगर जिन्होंने, जो परपट्रेटर्स हैं, जो टेररिस्ट हैं पहलगाम के, उनके साथ भी वही हश्य होता है जो आपके हस्बैंड के साथ हुआ. तो क्लोजर तो आशन्या मुश्किल है कहना, क्योंकि व्हाट यू हैव गॉन थ्रू, आई डोंट थिंक वेरी वेरी फ्यू पीपल इन द वर्ल्ड हैव गॉन थ्रू. तो क्लोजर तो मतलब अगर है तो बहुत बढ़िया बात है, पर थोड़ी शांति है आज आशन्या आपको?
बिल्कुल शांति है मैम. और मैं ना कहीं इस चीज़ के लिए इस वजह से ज़्यादा शांत हूँ कि इन्हें बस मारा गया है. इनके साथ बैठ के कोई पूछताछ, बातचीत या कोई भी किसी भी तरीके का ये सारी चीज़ें नहीं की गई है. बिकॉज देयर इज़ नो नीड. इफ देयर आर टेररिस्ट, इफ he or she is a terrorist, kill the person. That is all I wanted to say, and that is happening, and I'm really relaxed about it.
आशन्या, देयर आर, मतलब आपके साथ बहुत और महिलाएं हैं, बहुत अदर फैमिली मेंबर्स हैं, क्योंकि हमारे लिए एक ये रिपोर्ट है, जो पूरे भारतवासी हैं वो आपके साथ खड़े हैं, पर बीती आप पर है. आपको लगता है कि आज का दिन बहुत बहुत महत्व रखता है?
बिल्कुल मैम, आज का दिन बहुत महत्व रखता है. आज के दिन इतने बड़े लेवल पे ये शुरुआत हुई है. मैं तो इसको शुरुआत बोल रही हूँ, क्योंकि अभी एक आतंकवादी मारा गया है, ये सब मारे जाएंगे. और आज कहीं ना कहीं एट सम लेवल, एट सम पॉइंट, आई एम रिलैक्स्ड. आई नो दैट दे विल बी किल्ड. आई नो जितने भी हैं मारे जाएंगे. दिस प्रूव्स दैट कि the way PM sir said ऑपरेशन सिंदूर चल रहा है, ये सारे मारे जाएंगे, and it is happening. This proves the fact.
आशान्या, आपने प्रधानमंत्री की बात की, प्रधानमंत्री ने आपसे बात की थी, आप उनसे मिली थी, उन्होंने आपको आश्वासन दिया था कि जो आपकी डिमांड है, जो आप चाहती हैं, कि जो मेन पॉइंट आपका था कि मुझे और कुछ नहीं चाहिए, मुझे जो टेररिस्ट जिन्होंने शुभम के साथ किया जो किया, उनका भी सेम फेट हो। तो कुछ बात हुई थी, प्रधानमंत्री ने आपको कुछ आश्वासन दिया था?
उन्होंने उस दिन यही बोला था कि ये लंबी लड़ाई है और ऑपरेशन सिंदूर अभी चल रहा है और चलेगा, ये उनके वर्ड्स थे।
आपको उन्होंने बोला था कि
what happened
जो
today proves the
टेररिस्ट,
fact.
उन्होंने आपको बताया था कि जो टेररिस्ट हैं जिन्होंने ये काम किया है उनका हश्य होगा, यही?
Not the actual words, but उनका ये कहना था कि उन्हें जितने भी हैं ये मारे जाएंगे, उनका ये कहना था कि टेररिज्म जिस तरीके से फैल रहा है, what I felt, what he wanted to say, and also उनके words भी यही थे कि ये लंबी लड़ाई है और ये सब खत्म होंगे, and it is happening this way only. और ये जिस तरीके से फैल रहे हैं, जिस तरीके से they are the cancer to the nation, they are cancer, they should be finished, they should be treated properly, and they are getting treated.
Ashna, there were lots of young women like you who lost their husbands within days of their marriage. एक sadly एक common bond होता है जो एक ऐसा, however dastardly the incident is, that builds that bond. Do you have anything to say to all those women?
I don't know what I can say to those women. I don't know what words will ever heal them or me. But I just know that this fight I am fighting, it's from everyone. ये मुझे शायद सारी वो 26 फीमेल्स नहीं खड़ी हो पा रही है, शायद उनके फैमिलीज़ में इतना सपोर्ट नहीं है या जो भी है, there are lot of things going behind a person's. मेरे भी दिमाग में बहुत चीज़ें चलती हैं, उनके भी दिमाग में बहुत चीज़ें. आई एम हैप्पी दैट आई हैव अ फैमिली सपोर्ट लाइक दैट आई एम स्टैंडिंग आउट एंड टॉकिंग टू यू गाइज. बट बहुत से लोगों के साथ बहुत कुछ नहीं होता है. इफ़ आई कैन बी द वॉइस, आई एम ट्राइंग टू बी द वॉइस.
And you're doing a very good job, Ashna, to be that voice, because it serves as an example, it serves as a very inspiring voice that you voice not for just yourself, but also for all of those who have suffered the fate that you have suffered. Ashna, I'll ask you two more questions. Do you think this is closure where the memory, of Shubham Dwivedi and how he went, do you think at least there will be some sort of peace where Shubham is concerned? Because you, I think, knew him the best.
It's a little few % of peace. I would not say it's a closure, and there's nothing as closure in this kind of situation. But I am still hoping and praying that the way we did it today, we'll keep doing it, and we will end the terrorism for good.
Aishanya, I completely agree. जो आप कहते हैं कि मे बी थोड़ा पीस है, but it is not closure. I don't think just what you have gone through, closure will ever come. But Aishanya, and I'm sorry to say that, but you're a young woman and you will move on. Are you now looking at life ahead? क्योंकि जो आप चाहती थी कि कम से कम ये तो हो, क्लोजर नहीं, रेट्रीब्यूशन, जस्टिस थोड़ा तो डिलीवर हुआ है. अब क्या आइशान्या द्विवेदी अपनी लाइफ आगे क्रिएट करना चाहेंगी? विल यू मूव ऑन नाउ? यू आर सो यंग, लाइफ इज अहेड ऑफ यू.
No clue. It's hard to think about it even, and it's even something which is not in my mind. It is not in my mind, and I don't know. It will come ever in my mind. It will come across my mind or this or that. No idea. But for the moment, if you're asking me, no, it's not there, and I don't think there's ever moving on or something like this.
I don't blame you, and I would think for all your well-wishers who have looked at you, who have cried with you, who have wanted to hold your hand will wish the best for you, Aishanya, going ahead. And we hope that Aishanya Dwivedi can move on, and that smile comes back on your face, because you are very young and life has been very unkind, but we all hope that you can get out of this and build your life again. But Aishanya, for all those, because I think the entire India cried with you, supported you, what is it that you have to say to them?
I have seen people crying, I've seen people reaching out to me, I've seen people messaging me, I've seen people actually. A few days back, I went out somewhere and there were a lot of people who could recognize me. They came up to me, held my hand, and then said, "We are with you. We are happy to see you out of the house. We are happy to see that you are actually going out." There are a lot of people who are, and I've been saying this from day one, that I have a family. Both the families are standing. They are standing like a pillar right now, and I'm so glad that I have this kind of family. Shubham actually blessed me with a very beautiful family, and I also had a very beautiful family before. So they are standing with me very like an army. I can actually say my friends, my family, people who are unknown to me. They are standing behind me like an army, and that somewhere tells me that I am strong. This is the reason I am standing in front of you. This is the reason I'm able to talk to you, because they are standing with me.
Well, you're right there, Ashanya. Any last words for the security forces, Ashanya, who have mounted Operation Mahadev? You had the Indian Army, the Jammu and Kashmir Police, and the CRPF.
I am proud to be an Indian, and I'm really blessed that I'm surrounded by Indian Army. They're there selflessly for us. Proud to be an Indian.
Ashanya, we wish you lots of love, and we wish you all the best in whatever you want, and keep that smile there. And we only hope in time it only gets wider. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you. Thank you.